So we finna get to it.
What's the...
I'm a suburban dude, I'm a suburban dude,
What's up, y'all, my suburban people? Alright, now look, check it out. I got the mac and cheese going on, you know? But I got the mac and cheese spicy. Alright? It just came out. I never had this before. And it's come with a chocolate chip cookie. See that? Alright, my beverage, I'm drinking tea. Let's get to it. Let's see what's going on. You know what? I'm just gonna mix this up. I'm gonna go ahead and do it the right way. You hear me? I'm gonna do it the right way. Mix it up. Yeah. Mix it all up in there. All right. Let me taste this one more time. Hold on. I think they might have did something, but I don't know. Check this out one more time. Y'all see the cheese coming up. Cheese coming up. Damn. Now, I'm gonna say they spicy, like a little salty. Alright, a little salty. Ain't hot, it's just salty. You know what I'm saying? Just try the macaroni and cheese right there. Look at that, y'all see that? Let's try it out. Alright, I give y'all like a 1 out of 10, 7.5. Let's get back to the chicken. Y'all see that there? That's a big one. That look like a shrimp, don't it? Like a shrimp, don't it? Dang. See what's to it. Alright, it's good. So we finna get to it.
What's the rank? 1 out of 10.
The rank out of this?
For the chicken.
Let me try. Let me give you one more. Let me try this one more time. Then I'm gonna give you the rank, okay? So, alright, we'll try to. Alright, since the spiciness is kind of a little salty, I'm gonna give it an 8. No, 7.5. It's eatable. You know what I'm saying? It's not the best thing to smoke, but you know, it's eatable. It's gonna fill you up. No, I'm gonna eat that last. Calm down. I'm gonna get to it. I know my homie James like, man, you ain't gonna eat the cookie, G? I'm gonna eat the cookie, bro. Calm down.
Looked like it was ranked about a 10. The way you eat it.
I'm kind of hungry, you know. I've been thinking about this all day, you know. So I was like, I had to go get me some, you know. I know you want some. Come on. I'm gonna give you some. Calm down. You can't have none. Just be begging. I don't understand y'all sometimes. Like, pass me the food back. Well, how am I gonna pass you the food, G? By the time you see this video, it's probably been a year old already. Chicken ain't even out no more. But will I eat this again? I eat it again for like if I'm like at work on lunch break, that type of deal. But I had this for dinner. You didn't catch that, did you? Oh, man. I'm gonna put all that on there. Well, I got sauce right here. Being goofy. Y'all think this cookie good? I'm a big fan of cookies, and this nasty. I'm gonna be real disappointed. KFC. A little bit more soft. A little bit more soft. But you know what? I'm gonna wrap it up. You know, don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe. Hit that bell. Hit that bell. Hit that bell. Like, share, and comment. And I'm out.
I'm a suburban dude.